Today we unveil the groundbreaking features of Apple's latest innovation, the iPhone 16. Let's dive into what sets this device apart from its predecessors. Welcome to our channel Eye2Future. The iPhone 16 introduces a refined design with a full-edge Super Retina XDR OLED display, offering immersive visuals with slim borders. A standout addition is the new camera control button, located on the device's right side. This innovative feature allows users to quickly access camera functions. A single press opens the camera app, a light double press reveals controls like zoom and tone adjustments, and a firm press captures photos or starts video recording. The customizable action button, previously exclusive to Pro models, is now available across all iPhone 16 variants. By default, it toggles silent mode, but users can personalize it to perform tasks such as launching the camera or activating specific focus modes. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the enhanced camera system. The iPhone 16 features a 48-megapixel fusion wide-angle lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens now aligned vertically. This setup supports spatial video capture and offers improved photographic styles for real-time lighting and color adjustments. At the core of the iPhone 16 lies Apple Intelligence, seamlessly integrating AI into daily tasks. Users can enjoy advanced writing tools, text summarization, a more responsive Siri with natural language processing, and AI-powered photo organization. These features collectively enhance the user experience, making interactions more intuitive and personalized. Express yourself like never before with Genmoji, a feature that allows the creation of personalized emojis using AI. By describing an emoji concept, such as Happy Sun emoji, the AI generates multiple previews for selection, offering a fun and customized way to convey emotions in messages. The iPhone 16 also boasts an improved battery design with higher energy density, providing longer usage times. An advanced power management system prioritizes workloads and charging efficiency, ensuring the device keeps up with your daily demands. The iPhone 16 represents a fusion of innovative design and intelligent functionality, setting a new standard for smartphones. Experience the future of mobile technology today. For more information, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.